eBooks are powerful tools for content creators. They offer a compelling way to share knowledge, establish authority, and connect with audiences. With their digital nature, they are accessible to anyone with an internet connection, making them a versatile tool for reaching global audiences. They're also affordable to produce, allowing content creators to share their expertise without breaking the bank. Moreover, eBooks can bolster a creator's brand and open up streams of passive income. So how can you tap into the potential of eBooks efficiently and effectively? The answer lies in ChatGPT. Before we get into how, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Imagine having a personal assistant who can write content based on your instructions. That's precisely what ChatGPT offers. It's a game changer in the world of content generation. Through the magic of prompt-based content generation, ChatGPT can help you create compelling chapters for your ebook. You simply give it a prompt, say generate a chapter on mindfulness for beginners, and watch as it crafts detailed, rich content that resonates with your readers. It's like having a professional writer at your disposal anytime you need it, allowing you to focus on the bigger picture while ChatGPT takes care of the legwork. Now that you have your content, let's explore how to structure and edit your ebook. Creating an engaging ebook involves more than just writing. It's about structuring, editing, and designing your content effectively. Let's delve into how you can use ChatGPT and a marketing automation platform to craft your ebook. Once you've used ChatGPT to generate your content, it's time to structure it. Break down your content into chapters or sections, each focusing on a specific topic. This makes it easier for your readers to navigate through your ebook. If you need to refine your content or add any other sections, ChatGPT is always at your service. Next, let's talk about enhancing your content. Images, tables, and other visual elements not only make your ebook more engaging, but also help to convey your message more effectively. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Lastly, it's time to focus on the design and formatting of your ebook. A visually appealing and professional design is crucial to attract and retain your readers. Here's where your marketing automation platform comes into play. It offers customizable ebook templates that can give your content the professional touch it deserves. But creating your ebook is just the beginning. To truly make an impact, you need to market it effectively. Marketing automation platforms offer a wealth of features to promote your ebook. Social media, email, and text marketing serve as three key pillars for reaching your audience. With these platforms, you can schedule posts, send automated emails, and launch text campaigns all tailored to your readers. Features like audience segmentation allow for targeted messaging, while analytics provide valuable insights. By combining the power of ChatGPT and marketing automation, you can create and promote engaging ebooks with ease and efficiency. Click the link to my free course in the description below to learn step by step how to create a book and start marketing it in less than an hour.